leaks. I always like to check these. This one seems to be fine. This side's on here. Oh, there's like cross-threaded on there. What the heck? What part's even leaking? This part probably. Yeah, it looks like it is back here. Well, it's cross-threaded. That's plastic lines back here. I don't like those plastic lines under here. This side here looks fine. Into an S-trap right there. Just had to take the doorknob out the door the other day. It's stuck. That's what it is. The knob here won't turn, so I had to take that out. Loosen screws here. Here in the garden aisle, got a tomato, aloe vera, some acorn trees, and a lima bean. This one's here is a P-trap. You're really gonna do something better. I don't know if I want to make something about this today or not. I might as well go looking today for some pipes for this. this one was giving us some issues before here. Let me go turn the water on the bathtub. What the heck is that ground wire for? There's the old sewage pipe where it goes out. Right there. That one is the, what is that? The vent that goes up to the roof. I think this one might need some attention. And that one underneath the kitchen sink too. I mean, what the heck here? Look at that. They cut that to make the bathtub work? What the heck? Hey, it looks like it's been dripping down here. Yeah. Here's where it goes out now, and this. Huh. You know what? Actually, I don't remember. I think this one here is the toilet. Yeah, that's what I said earlier. It kind of looks like it's leaking too a little bit there. Yeah, look at that. What the heck? Here's for the washing machine. This one here is for that sink up there. Ties in with the washing machine. Remember a while ago we had to snake this drain here. And it was flooded out down over here. Yeah, it wasn't very good. And right here, I mean, look at this. This here, it's like, it's laying on the gas line. Look at that. That's the gas line right there. I mean, at least strap that up or something. What the heck? And right there, it's all bowing down in the middle too. And there's where it comes out, the sink upstairs. Here's the Duquesne furnace. I mean, this thing is pretty small here. Got a little 3-burner. This thing is, I mean, it's not a big house here, but let's go that way. Got the rotation here. The vacuum switch here. I just like to check this every once in a while. Yeah. It looks pretty good to me. Down here. You know, haven't had this off in a long time. Down here by the blower. It's definitely been a minute since it was cleaned out down there. So, there's the gasket stuff back there. Like the fiberglass or whatever it is. How many BTUs is it? 75,000 BTU. That's not very big. And when the turbo heater in the garage is bigger than that. It's only 75,000 BTU. I thought it was a little bit bigger than that. I mean, that's pretty small. I wonder how big that old Claire furnace is. I mean, that thing's a beast. I think that's only the third furnace that was in the house over there, too. Because first they had like a cooler wood furnace. And then second they had an oil furnace. And then they got the Claire furnace. It's over there now. So maybe I'll have to check that out on my video or go over there and look at it. How many BTUs is that? I think it's 55,000 BTU. And then it says 60,000. That's almost as big as this furnace. I mean, gosh. Okay, this one's a cool here. Hey, look at that. It's all crusty right there. That's gonna be a pain to get off if we never have to change that. Which don't look like it's gonna last that long. The way it's going. Alright. Let's see. Where is it dripping from down here? I'm not seeing any drips yet. It definitely looks like it's been leaking or something down here. Well, that's already nice and cold. That'd be nice in the summertime, that cold well water right there. I don't know, I'm not seeing too much down here. I would have thought it would be leaking more. Well, it looks like they had to re-drill that hole there. Here is the well pump turning on. We got a old Franklin electric pump down here. That's a... So here is the... Oh, it just turned off. The pressure switch. It's the filter. I wonder how long it's been since the filter was changed. This tank's not that old. We just replaced it because it sprung a leak, the old one. So the pipe goes out there. Is that... No, it's just out the wall there. Because there's another old well out there. And I think this might be the pipe for it. And they must have like just abandoned the wires outside too. Because I don't see any wires that would be for another pump in here. Oh, would you look at that?
Yeah, look at that. Look at that.
Get from behind
look at that.
And you can't do it.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Yeah,
look at that.
There's 3-in-1 oil down there. We've been looking for 3-in-1 oil for like, I don't even know. How did that even get down there? Wait a minute. Is this the one with light bulbs in it? You know what? That's what I think happened to it. Light bulbs in this one too. Look at that, brand new light bulbs lying on the floor. I mean, what the heck? Is there anything else down here? My pencils are down there too. All I'm getting right now is a 3-in-1 oil. Gosh. Here, there's some of the old furnace filters. What size is it here? 16 by 25 by 1. Yeah, look how crusty that was getting. You can even see it in there. Yeah. I mean, gosh. Yep. Looks like a brand new thing of 3-in-1 oil. Just bought it like a couple weeks ago and it went missing. Here's some cast iron stuff. I'm going to be doing a video getting this stuff fixed back up. This is my grandpa's right here. Some stuff for the rock tumbler. That's what I need the oil for. So, yeah. Let me... I guess that's a wrap up for this video. Just about here. Here's the hot water tank here. And, it kind of looks a little bit wet down there. It's no good here. So, alright. That's the end of the video. Cat got a rubber band. She's happy. Found my 3-in-1 oil. And see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, and I almost forgot. This is after the end of the video. I want to see what size fuses are in here. We got two 15-amp fuses. Right there is the power coming in the black and white. Or, well, not power, but whatever. So, two 15-amp fuses. I do not think we have any more of those, so we should definitely get some at the store.